Hello and welcome everyone, this is MrSovr with another Technic video, but this time I'm going to be making an iPad, which sounds kind of interesting and I thought people would like it. It's going to be fairly big, not too big. So I am going to make it out of wool and I'm going to use the monitor system with the actual computer and see if I can make a keyboard and a mouse and see if we can actually get a cool computer up and running. I guess this is a tutorial on how to make an iMac in TECHNIC. So we start building the base for it. We'll probably make it that big. This is sort of a bit like a trial and error type of thing. I didn't prepare it so well. Okay, so we're building the back stand for the iPad, or I'm sorry, iMac. I guess I could make an iPad later on. I can't make it too big because of the limitations of the actual computer craft screens. So the reason why I'm destroying these blocks is to make it so it's like a little curvature to it. I don't know, it looks a little weird. I want to say I want to put it higher. So yeah, I need to try to do the Apple symbol anyways, so let's just do it a little bit higher. Probably right here. Like, I guess this isn't like the best iPad in the world. I did have another level where I actually did make the iPad, or iMac. Why do I keep on saying iPad? Okay, so let me see here. This would be like in the center. So I'm gonna add, oops, one to the top and one to the bottom. See how far I could go. The only problem is the width only goes a certain amount. Let me see, is that the limit? Yes, it is. Okay, this is not going to look so well because of the size of the screen and the proportion and all that, but I will try my best to make this work out. We have the black layer that goes around the whole entire screen. Okay, now for the white part, which is only on the bottom. Try and make it. It's going to be hard doing an apple for this one. I guess if I really wanted to be crazy, I could do multiple big screens, but I'm just going to do a simple tutorial on this. So we have that. Wow. I don't even know how to do an apple with this one. That is like the... Oh man, that looks pretty bad actually. I think that's the best I could do. This would be the leaf and that would be the apple. It doesn't reach all the way to the bottom, so it's not like I can actually use this. And probably make this a little thinner. Oops. Subtract one on each side. Because the stand, since I'm working on an iMac with this, does not go with the proportions that well. Oh, that looks like a smaller version of an iMac, basically. So now that we got the screen all done, we put in a little tiny computer right here. We put in the Wi-Fi, and now, since we are just doing the hardware part for today, we are going to be making the mouse, which will be over here. Move. So let's do it way over here because I want to try and make it legit. Ah. Okay, reasonable size. I guess I can... No, I can't really do that. There is a little curve to it, but I guess I'm gonna keep it square since it's Minecraft anyways. And of course this is wireless, and let me see here. Let's make this a one clicker. It's awkwardly positioned, so I guess this will be... Let me just... how would I do this? Let's go down here. Let's use a piston. We can always use a piston to do a circuit. It's going to be a little tricky, but I'm sure I could figure it out. Okay, so redstone torch, I'm going to put one right there. I need actual redstone, so... Okay. That goes right under there. Then, I guess we can only have one. I can't really... Unless we do it parallel. Parallel will work. So we... Whoops. Put one there. Put one there. I'm going to have to use repeaters for this one. So, keep on going down. Where is the repeater? It's probably right in my face, isn't it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so... where should I just do that? Oops, did not mean to do that. Goody. I guess I'm done with the screen, so... Put that there, and we are going to be using the pistons to actually notify if there's actually a person on one of these buttons that would be communicated to a computer. Like, problem is I'm going to have to extend this a little bit more. So we'll have a computer right here. I have to put the computer right there. Have that there, and then... Ah, man. Let me think here. Do it that way. Then we have it like this. Okay. So now we will have the... Ah, man. Kind of miscalculated this. Okay, we're going to make the mouse a little bit thicker. I'm going to need to break that, put that there. Okay. So now we can put grass there so we can make it all nice and beautiful. Okay, so we also have to make this slightly bigger. Oh, and also guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video. I appreciate everything that you guys do, really helps me out. Did they even communicate? Or did I put in the wrong spot? Why is that not working like that? Why isn't it going through the block? Is it because of the pressure plate goes vertically or doesn't go vertically? Oh man, now I have to use... Oh, that's a bugger. Okay then. Or wait. Okay, so we put the things there. And then we use redstone to go over... Still nothing. I'm really surprised. Oh, it's now working. Okay, good. So that's how that's going to work. Ah, man. Okay, it still works. Good. That's what we need. Okay, so now just place that there. Watch as the power goes through there to the computer. So now we have a functional mouse. And as I was saying, thank you again, guys, for watching all my videos. And I've also been doing tutorials beforehand of this because I want it to be sort of a bit like building on stuff, and now we're just kind of doing whatever. Like experiments, stuff like that. For example, this iMac. Where is the wall? There's the wall. Okay. Now that works. So that mouse can communicate to that iMac. The only thing is, though, how on earth do you move it? Well, I guess I'm going to have a feature in the actual keyboard that will allow me. Because the keyboard is going to be a little interesting how it works. Okay. So the keyboard is going to work like this. Whoops, that's a little too long. And by extending the keyboard, we can actually have it so that it can do various functions, which is the best part. Now, how are we going to do these functions? Well, we are going to be doing the functions by placing the computers under these blocks, and then have a pressure plate and having redstone power go to it. And that's how we're basically going to be doing this. So we put a computer right there, break that, and then a computer right there, break that. And for now we're just going to do 4 of them, which we can actually move the cursor and then we can click on stuff. So what's the purpose of this? Well, it's just pure fun, actually. Okay, so the only thing is, though, we need to actually see if this works. So I'm going to be doing some code to see if power is actually above the cube or the wall block, that we'll see if it actually goes to the computer. Therefore, it will actually have a connection. But that will be done in the second video since I have a limited time tonight of working on videos. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like my videos and continue watching for even more tutorials. I am MrSovr and see you later.